Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make raita. This is a type of yogurt dip, so let's get started.
I've got here 2 cups of homemade yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt or any plain yogurt. 2 medium cucumbers which I have grated and squeezed any excess liquid out. I have kept the skin on my cucumber, but you can always peel it if you like. 1 medium carrot which I have peeled and grated. 1 small onion which I have thinly sliced. 3/4 teaspoons of salt, or you can add it according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, or you can take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, roast it on medium heat, cool it down and grind it to a powder using a mortar and pestle, and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, or you can use chopped mint leaves as well. Take a big dish, add yogurt, salt, pepper and cumin powder. You can also add fresh chilies finely chopped or half a teaspoon of chili powder as well. Mix it well using a whisk until smooth. Add onions, carrots and cucumber. Mix it well using a spoon and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to chill for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out of the fridge, add chopped coriander leaves, give it a mix, and it is ready to serve. My Fiji style raita is ready, and you can make it and serve it with dal, palau, biryani, any type of curry, or you can even use it as a dip. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.